Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and today I will talk about purchasing website traffic. So there is a right way and also a wrong way to purchasing traffics. You can use a service that guarantees you traffic wrong way, or you can use a pay-per-click service right way. Whatever you do, don't fall for those websites that promises to deliver you thousands of hits in a 24 hours or in a 12 hours. Don't panic for that type of websites. Let's take a look at those services. First, you don't know where or how they are generating the traffic. The first thing, you don't know. In most cases the traffic is not targeted, meaning that it's a possible that not a single one of those of thousands of visitors has any interest in your topic or your niche. Finally, you can't really be sure that the traffic is real. But there is a way to purchase real targeted traffic. You can use pay-per-click advertising through a service such as Google AdWords. When you purchase traffic using their method, the traffic is targeted. Suppose you are running a shoe store, and if you use Google pay-per-click, all the visitors will be targeted. You don't pay for a certain number of traffic, you pay for each clicks, and as the name pay-per-click indicates. Now, if you don't know what you are doing, pay-per-click can be expensive and ineffective. It is important that you make sure that you write a targeted ad first and foremost. It's also essential that you select the right keywords and that you bid in the right amount on those keywords. Google AdWords really makes this very easy. You can type in on main keywords, and they will give you a list of other related keywords that apply as well. Suppose you are promoting golf bags. Google keyword planner will give you some other related keywords like cheap golf bags, how to buy golf bags, how to play golf, why golf is so familiar or popular. So these keywords will help you. Next, when you set the amount you are willing to pay per click for each keyword, you can use the traffic analysis tool in Google AdWords to see where your ad will be listed based on what you are paying per click and how much traffic you can expect from it. All these things will be notified to you, and you can see what is happening here. Raise your bid price until you see that you will be listed where you want to be. Again, PPC can be very expensive. Make sure that you know how much you can afford to spend on these ads each week. Divide in by 7 and set a daily budget up on your AdWords account. Also specify how you want those funds spread throughout the day. There are entire courses written on the topic of Google AdWords. I advise that you take one because there are a lot of elements and tricks that need to be learned. Make AdWords work out for you. Again, don't waste your traffic. Make sure that you are capturing first names and email addresses from the people that arrive your website using PPC advertisements. So these are the some small lists or requirement while you are purchasing traffic. There are lots of websites, they are selling website traffic, but those traffics are not always targeted, and you will not get a single sale from those type of traffic. So my opinion is, you can buy traffic, or you can promote, or you can post Google ads, and it will help you to get targeted traffic and your product will be sold. Thank you for watching my video.